Hello everyone, and a special thank you to Jordan and Goodyear, Arizona. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo. Mo Better. Because I'm maybe seeing Mo Better, look at Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Jordan's American Optical, a true original since 1933. This is the box that it comes with, along with more information on the inside. Of course, it comes with the the clamshell case with the American Optical cleaning cloth on the inside. They love saying true original since 1933. Has a cool little magnet that keeps it closed with that leather case. But this is the star of the show. This is what you came to see, the main attraction. This is the American Optical Tournament. Color is wood grain. I'll have a link in the description below, as well as at the end of the video. It comes in the 5220 with a 145 temple link. And these are a vintage frame, one of the oldest frame companies in existence here in the US. It comes in a black and a tortoise. Oh, I'm blowing it now. I should have studied. But just like most things in life, I didn't prepare for it, but I just go ahead and see what life brings you. Speaking of which, if you want to actually see me cut the lenses for frames, you can go ahead and check out the first 1,000 videos that I did, and I have the full-length videos about 20 to 30 minutes long of me cutting lenses for various frames. So if you want to learn more about prescription lenses and how to cut them. But speaking of prescription lenses, Jordan got the Zeiss polycarbonate, the single vision 159. That's the refractive index for polycarbonate. Photofusion extra gray with DP, the DuraVision Platinum. I've highlighted the prescription for the right eye, same for the left. The DuraVision Platinum is an anti-glare treatment. It's the finest one that Zeiss produces. It sells for $99. The Photofusion extra gray is $129 on top of the frame price. But again, I'll have a link in the description below that you can go check out the frames, as well as at the end of this video. Now, this is what they look like clear. And actually, before I go any further, let me give a big shout out to Jordan, who works with keeping us all safe. He does the stuff that most of us would run from, keeping America safe at night and during the daytime. And it enables me to do what I do. Although, hang on, he's been outranked. This person tells me what I can and can't do during the days and nights. Jordan keeps me safe. My wife gives me the commands on when to do it, how to do it, and yeah, I think any of you got this piece of artillery or a piece of I'm losing words, which is odd for me. If you have this adorning your finger, I think you know where I'm coming from. But let me clean these one last time before I show you what they will look like dark. So as you can see, the least amount of reflex of any of the anti-glare coatings on the DuraVision Platinum. I'm going to go ahead and expose them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds, minute 15. But everyone pay attention. All photochromic lenses will get dark on day one and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't get dark in a car. They will get dark in a convertible or a motorcycle. Now, having said that, these Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray will get 30 to 50% dark behind a windshield. All photochromic lenses are temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. Of course, these come with the green lenses, and that's the gray. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray, I don't know if you can pick up that right above my thumb, are designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside, and these will get darker in hotter weather. Especially, this is my second video, especially in Goodyear, Arizona. I just shipped to Gonzales to Phoenix, and now these are going to Goodyear, Arizona. This is my Arizona day for shipping. So these will get darker in hotter weather, and if you just want the darkest lens possible, go with the Photofusion Extra Gray. It adds $129 to the purchase. The DuraVision Platinum that Jordan got is $99, and What else was I going to say? I can do any prescription, single vision, line style, bifocal, progressive lenses like I wear, which is the no line invisible bifocal. I can do these as prescription sunglasses. That's how they originally come. But I took the dark lenses out to install Jordan's prescription. If you have any questions, go to the contact me page at freeprescriptionlenses.com. And of course, with the purchase of any frame, you'll get one free pair of clear single vision prescription lenses, and you can get any upgrades there that you want a la carte and just pay for them as you go. If you want to speak to a live person, call Jigsaw at 919-491-2411, or if you're a texting kind of person, the text messages come to me, the phone calls go to Jigsaw. He has the time, and he's my website developer / optical apprentice, so he can answer 99% of all the questions. And if he can't, while he's got you on the phone, he'll text me and get you the answer. So you can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But Jordan in Goodyear, Arizona, thank you so much for the purchase of the oldest frame company in America, American Optical. This is the Tournament. Size 52 in the color wood grain. Hopefully, can you see that? It looks like a tortoise, but you can see the layers, the strata of there are more lines than the mottled tortoise color. But yeah, thank you for the purchase of this frame with your Zeiss Photofusion extra gray lenses with DuraVision Platinum. Thank you for keeping us safe in what you do. I'm not going to go into detail because his identity needs to be secret. So thank you again, Secret Agent Jordan. And remember to click on the link above to go click to see the frame. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.